Welcome home. Both of you completed your Chardam. Great.
How's it? Exploring, travel exploring, Chardam successfully completed. Idli and vada and sambar was like so tempting. It's not sun-kissed, I'm sun-slapped right now. Good morning guys from Delhi, and we are at Lajpat Nagar going to explore the most famous eateries, Haldirams. Let's see if we can have breakfast in Haldirams. I feel like eating dhokla. Let's see if we can have dhokla as breakfast today. And this is my outfit. Yeah, let's get going. Time now is 9. We wanted to start by 8:30, but again, somehow we get late. I don't know how. Because women, ladies, we need a lot of time to get decked up, right? So, okay. Weather now is too sunny at 9 and it's like too hot, humid. Whatever sunscreen I wore, I was just feeling good. It's not sun-kissed, I'm sun-slapped right now. Tanned already. हाँ. Let's ask.
चाट मिल जाएगा.
Mango mousse looks so yummy and tempting. I'm definitely trying this. Fresh fruit mango tart. Yeah. Something called Madhuri. I don't know what is Madhuri. Raskatta, chum chum, ramai, pista sandesh, sandesh. That's how Bengalis pronounce it. So, do we have rasmalai? Yes, we do have rasmalai. Okay. Savory, sweets, and red. So I ordered pav bhaji. Dhokla is there, but I felt like having pav bhaji because I have a slight cold and kind of flu. So I decided let's try pav bhaji. And Pinny, my auntie, has ordered chole bhature. So let's see how it tastes, and I hope it is worth the hype because people always, all my North Indian friends keep saying, अरे तुमने हल्दीराम्स का नहीं खाया, तुमने हल्दीराम्स में नहीं खाया, जब दिल्ली जाओगी तो पक्का खा के बताना कि कैसा लगा. तो that's why I'm here to explore today. Let's see how it goes. Okay, got my order, pav bhaji. You can ask for extra pyaz also. There's a lemon here. Waiting for Pinny's order to come, so we'll start together. Okay, got my order. First, there's a nimbu. Bhaji. Too good, too yummy. Loved it. Start. How's it?
Very nice.
Nice? Real nice? I'm tasting chole bhature now. Yummy. Liked it. They will also give with pickle. Everywhere they give with chili pickle and some pickled onions, but here they have just given with onions. It's fine. Must try, must try. This is not great. Whatever.
Mango ittesta. You can eat this starter. This is starter, right?
Yeah. I've never had tart in my life. This is the first time I'm trying something.
Starter ఒకటి తింటాం కదా. ఇంకనే బేస్ ఉంటుంది.
Never tried this. For the first time I'm eating. It's nothing but bread pudding with some mango slices and fresh whipped cream and a bit of chocolate sauce, I guess, in the base. It's good. Tart. That's the base. It's not too sweet. I'm not having too much of chocolatey kind of flavor. Everything is just perfect. It's yummy. Love it.
दिल्ली हाट. दिल्ली हाट और सरोजनी नगर कितना दूर?
It is like
पास पास है. हाँ, okay. दिल्ली हाट will go first.
it is like sitting on a hot stove actually. The car seat is like so hot. Can't even rest back. Oh god, it is like, I don't know, could be some 50, 60, 80 degrees I think outside here. It's just 10 and crazy. This is crazy. Whew. We are going to Delhi Hat market now, where there's a lot of handicrafts, pottery making kind of, like just like Sunday Soul something in Bangalore. So let's see how that goes. There is ATM here. This is the entrance. You have to buy tickets. 30 rupees per adult. For foreigners, extra charges. So this is basically a bazaar, a market where you will see all kind of handicrafts, handlooms, and food court, craft stall. So here you will see the signboard. Beautiful paintings. हाँ
मधुबनी 20
हाँ देख रही हूँ.
ये दुकान सामने जाए तो मिलेगा.
ठीक है. To buy all these we have to come by our own vehicle. Otherwise how do you carry this in train and flight? Not possible. Looks like good kurtis are here. They have these also.
ये प्रिंट मैंने ये वीव किया हुआ है.
100%.
ले लो एक और.
25,000.
अच्छा पास कर लो. बिना अच्छा पास कर लो.
25,000.
आपसे कोई बात पसंद कर लो. आपकी चॉइस है थोड़ा चाहिए कि आप क्या कर सकते हैं.
Bro, क्या है ये? जामा.
एक और पीस देख लीजिए.
मतलब क्या है?
जामा मीन्स फुल वर्क.
Full work.
ये टच करना.
This is little like
एक बार थोड़ा आप देखिए तब आप देख सकते हैं.
soft. This one is nice.
They say a pashmina cloth is warm enough to hatch an egg. It's warm enough to keep you comfortable in bitter cold temperatures. This fabric is one of a kind because it's made from goat wool found in eastern Ladakh
don't know what these are, but look at the earrings. So different. They have fridge magnets, handlooms, real silver jewelries. Oh, I like these. These are nice. Fully tanned. We tasted all that. We're buying this. Pinny bought that. Sun-dried amla, papad, everything. You get everything here. It was nice. You'll also get breakfast seeds if you want. We have Manipur food stall. Manipur food stall. Tripura food stall. And that side again some Tamil Nadu tourism food stalls and basically food court from that particular place. Tripureshwari temple, Ujjayanta palace. I don't know where exactly is Tripura, but yeah, there is Tripura food stall. This is Ladakh food stall which is still closed. Rajasthan food stall. Sikkim tourism food stall. There you saw Manipur food stall. Momo Mia food stall. Johar Litti Choka. Okay, so this is Maharashtra food stall. Delek. Like literally every state. Like every state of food stall they have here, right? Good place. You can visit, guys. Let's see if we can try something here. Chow-mein. Northeast Darbare Awadh. So this is UP food stall. Wow, this place is really interesting, man. Northeast. Momo Tuppa. Can we have Tuppa? Tuppa. See? Northeast. Jammu Kashmir. Meghalaya. Must try, guys. We are gonna try now. Tuppa. We ordered Tuppa. Tuppa. Yeah, Tuppa. We ordered chicken and veg. Tuppa. Let's see how it tastes. What is the rating, Pinny? How much would you rate? For the veggies, extra veggies.
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Okay. So that is 10 out of 10. Since I've tasted Wow Momo's Tuppa, I think I'll give this 6.5 out of 10. Yeah. Since I have cold also, it's gonna help. Let me finish this. Let's see which one I'll buy. Finished shopping in Delhi Hut. So much to see, more to see. So we finished shopping in Delhi Hut now. Now we are heading to the most happening and must visit place, Sarojini Market. I can't wait to go and do loads of shopping in Sarojini Nagar Market. Let's see how that goes. So purchased so many dress materials, so many dresses, so many shawls, whatnot. Did lot of shopping. I'll show all that I purchased in another vlog. So right now, thank you for visiting. Thank you for visiting. All these are just 100 rupees only. Purchased so many tops here. I'll show you once I go. They say it is fixed price, but definitely not. You can bargain as much as you want. क्या?
अरे हमारे लिए काम नहीं है, काम नहीं है वो।
I don't like sweet. No, but we can tell the spice levels. Sweet I will not eat only. ये स्वीट डाला है? नहीं डाला?
Given suji puris, This is Raj Kachori. I was waiting to have Hamlet. Cravings done. Yum. Never had such nice Raj Kachori. And I had in Jaipur, but this is like next level. The cream is so thick.
I think they put sugar in the yogurt.
It's good. This has the aloo, chana. The filling. I'm spilling it because I'm having in one hand mobile I'm having. So I just dip it in my fingers. This is not even coming out. Nothing beats Bengaluru's hot pani puri or golgappa. I don't know how people like this so much. In my opinion, I don't know how people like this so much. It is nice, it is hygienic way, but I think we prefer the unhygienic way, I guess. I don't know. I don't want to put it that way. But yeah. Not really enjoying it. Like, okay, that. Because this is how we are used to having. Pour it and have. And this is suji puri, so I think that's also making a lot of difference. It's not adding much taste.
It would be nice, I don't like it.
I like it. Okay, ordered sandwich dokla. I'll show you how it is.
Go look around that. I don't have idea much. So ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? ఓ ఇది ఎట్లుంటుంది మెడిటరేనియన్ ఉంది.
Ready to leave to Bengaluru. Namma Karnataka, Namma beautiful Karnataka. Done with all the exploring, food exploring, travel exploring. Char Dham successfully completed. Feeling extremely grateful. Right now at Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station, we are going in Rajdhani Express. We will be reaching Bangalore after 36 hours of our train journey. Let's see how that goes. Wish us all the best, and I will do a lot of shopping haul videos that I purchased in Sarojini Market and Janpath, every places that I've shopped. So keep watching this space for more vlogs. You'll be bombarded with amazing contents for sure. That's my promise, pinky promise. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I loved filming this for you guys. So as usual, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Hi, my name is Neha. I do vlogs on travel, food and lot of exploring and other lifestyle videos. Please do not forget to subscribe the channel and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I post something new on this space. Thanks. How's it?
How they will charge here. Now that experience is there in Delhi, how much they charge now. Based on that, I will.
2,000 years later.
Time now is 6:01 a.m.
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್
Finally reached Namma Bengaluru, Namma Karnataka. The minute we entered KSR Bengaluru railway station, the aroma of idli and vada and sambar was like so tempting. It was like so tempting. That is what you usually miss when you go to different states, I guess. And I had so much of cravings for masala puri and all Mysore masala dosa. So let's I just can't wait to attack that and okay guys, that's it for this entire Char Dham vlog.
There is breeze also.
There is breeze, yeah.
A lot of breeze. Welcome home. Both of you completed your Char Dham. Great. Great achievements.
Narsimha daughter and granddaughter.
Okay. My hand will shiver like that.
Is it all?
Yes. This hand. Come. Put your red leg in and come.
Dun, 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 dun.
Let the luggage